morning, welcome to today's video, and today we are going to shop in Stage Market, which is just opposite Muthurwa where it is, and we are using the entrance near Cooperative Bank or the Shell that's right there. So we start off with this shop. Thank you. You have some very nice things. Anyway, nataka hii nimeona ni how much? May I please see it? Vile kanakaa poa.
Ni acrylic.
Nimefikiria ni hiyo ceramic. Do you have any that's ceramic? Guys, imagine this is 55 with everything together, with the stand, the vase, I think the tables as well, and the banana itself, 5,500. Then we have these ones here. With the vase, so it's bigger, and I think hizi ziko shaped tofauti kidogo, so you get to see that one. Kabes here. Okay. How much is it? 15, huh? And this one here.
2,000.
2,000. As well as this. This is also 2,000. How much? Oh, the gold ones. How much is that gold?
2,500. The bigger one 2,500, the smaller one 2,400.
What was this? Oh, this one has like a stool.
But you can damage.
Oh, oh yeah. How much are these?
The bigger one 3,000, the smaller one 2,500.
Okay, so you have nice things. This?
2,500.
Oh, they can definitely come. This? Konika cute sana.
Okay, I'm sorry to say.
The baskets?
Basket. That one, the smaller one, 600, 600, 800. The bigger one is 1,200, and the other one
800. This?
800. 1,200.
Is this in zile za kuhang kwa wall?
Yeah.
How much are they?
400.
So they have colors. And the return 600.
Organizer,
So let's organize anything that you want. So Tatu, do you have Zinaiton? We finally found some things that I want, so I'm gonna take this one maybe. And then they have a variety of designs. Imagine this set is 1,500. Like how cute. So I'll leave their details so that you can come and shop. They have a variety of things, so let me just show you what they have. Oh, they also have some more things behind me. And this is a candle holder. This one. How much is the candle holder?
7K.
7K.
And the smaller version.
3K for the set of 2K. Hizi umesema ni 600.
thou 650.
650. Hii ni sawa? Oh.
500.
This is cute. And it's ceramic. Kuna yenye iko na plants turefu kidogo. Na hii set
2500.
iko na kalasi zingine.